Back in 2008, we had this debt jubilee. All of the major central banks around the world and governments said, holy shit, we've got a big debt problem. So what they did was a magic trick, which was make all interest rates zero. And so the governments then thought, okay, right, we need to clean up our balance sheet, make sure that we can finance all of these debts. So they restructured all of their debt into the 1 year to 5 year sector. So you can see that from the chart. It's all clustered. And what it did was create a 4-year cycle. But even within this cycle, it breaks down to shorter cycles. You've heard me talk about this, macro spring in green. That's when the economy starts thawing because liquidity is starting to rise. Then summer comes and liquidity starts really moving. And then fall is when you really often get a large injection of liquidity before eventually we go into winter and liquidity shrinks. These debt cycles also happen to be the US presidential election cycle because it so happened that 2008 was the presidential election cycle year. It's also the same as the Bitcoin halving cycle because Bitcoin was 2008. So we've got one mega cycle that rules it all.